What's up, guys? This now back on jasoncraft. Well, today we're not gonna play Minecraft. We're gonna play Subway Surfers. You can see that. Oh boy. I downloaded this yesterday. I don't play it that much, but I wanted to share it with you guys. Alright, here it goes. Magnetic powers. No, god damn it. Ah! Damn it, close the door! To get out. I hate when it happens when brothers go inside your room. Get out. You got to. Yeah, just change outside.
I'll change.
Well, whatever. Put your shoes on outside. Yes, you will. Look at that. Oh my, vete para afuera.
Good.
Okay. I'm out.
Actually, I'm the king. Hurry up.
Actually, you're the moron. No more. Oh my god, you get out.
Why not?
Get out.
Why? This is not like.
Get out.
This is not. Ew, no. You won't.
Oh my god, I hate when you do it. Snap. Can you change outside? Ah, snap. Oh, guys. Man, I was starting this. Well, guys, have you seen the video when Christmas Steve and me we're making a video about Banana Kong? You go check that out right now. Not right now, before I take this. Oh, yeah. It turned. I can't believe it. Oh, yeah, you know, whatever. Tell me in the comments below if you have this game. And tell me if it's fun. Yeah, I know, I could have got that. Oh, 21 more to go. 6. Ooh. Oh my god! Holy moly, guacamole! I should have never got there. Ah, man. Alright. I'm not gonna lose my money on that. Oh wait, you wanna see my hoverboard? Here it is. Hoverboard. Snap apples. Wait. Guys. Wanna do something? Yes. Oh, do you like my wallpaper? Tell me in the tell me on the comments below. Sorry guys. If you like Goku. I'm looking for wallpapers. Okay. Subway. And then I suffer. I don't know. So suffer, guys. I told you, I'm just a kid. Let's go. And I'm gonna do something. Something real smart. Okay. Come on, Subway Surfer. Is that his whole surfer? I have no idea. Let me see. Subway Surf. Subway Surf. Surf? Really?
On TV.
Okay, start it without me.
I don't want to start it. It's showing.
I don't care. Go on. I thought you were gonna close the door. Sorry, my fans, if I actually have some. That was just my big brother. Yes, big brother. You heard the other voices? Those were my 2 little brothers. And I have 2 big brothers. I'm in the one in the middle. I have 1 big sister, and of course I have parents. Where was I born? Birthday cannot. What? Ah. Here it is. Bus Rush. Ninja Subway Surfers. No. There we go. Where's the hacks? I think it's hacks. Yeah, it's hacks, right? Wait, let's do this. Yeah. Eat, go. How is it? Oh my god. Look, I'm connected. You see that? You see that right there? Man? You see that blinking blue and black light? See? I'm connected. Hurry up. Come on. Guys, I think this is it. And I will see you later.